Hey guys, this is such a large topic that I don't know where to start. This is not about saving the planet, this is about saving ourselves from us. Sustainable development has a lot of aspects, and we should first of all focus on the long-term gains rather than the short-term profits. En-ROADS is a climate simulator which is developed by MIT Sloan and Climate Interactive, and I happen to be the climate ambassador for the tool for Bulgaria. En-ROADS is using the best available climate science from IPCC, IEA, NASA. You can also edit all the data that goes inside the tool by clicking simulation, then assumptions. And for example, you want to change, let's say, economic impact of climate change. You can see all the different research that's being done on the subject. However, you are saying that no, I think the impact is going to be 7%. And this tool goes there and recalculates absolutely everything, every component from this. I want to touch on the topic of carbon tax, so I can show you this here, which is basically a graph by the World Bank, which is showing all the countries who have some kind of carbon tax or implemented ETS, which is the emissions trading system. I can also go on the next slide and I can show you some of the most ambitious countries like Sweden, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Finland. Sweden is the leader of almost $140 of carbon tax per ton. And if we go back to the tool and see what will happen if all the countries in the world follow this amazing example and implement $130 per ton, you see a huge change. So this is like implementing tax on all the emitting from fossil fuels, basically. You see here fossil fuels and also coal going down. And renewable energy is going up. So let me play that again so we can see just one simple step is a big reduction. Go to ecogs.org, like and share and comment. Bye bye.